Hi, my name is Ahmed Yasin Khamosh and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I designed this Java full course for both beginners and advanced Java programmers. And I added some exercises so you could get most out of this course. So now let's come to table of contents. So I designed this course in two parts, the basics of Java and advanced Java. In basics of Java, I will introduce the Java first. What is Java? Why it is important to know Java in this century, and what you can do with Java or with the knowledge of Java. And then we will come to JDK or Java Development Kit, JRE Java Runtime Environment, and JVM Java Virtual Machine. What are these and why they are important, right? And then we will set up our environment and write our first Java program. And of course we'll choose our IDE, which is really important, and this help us with building or writing fast code. And then we will dive to variables, data types, and operators in Java. What are variables, what are data types, and the operators in Java. And then we will come to conditional statements like if statement, if else statements, switch statements, and then the iterations like loops, for loop, for each loop, while loops, do while loops. So we will cover these. And the next part of this course, which is the advanced Java course, I will cover object-oriented concept of Java, or OPP in Java. We will learn what is object, what is class, how to use them, or how to create them. And after that we will understand the constructor. What is constructor? What is important? And then we will dive to this and static keywords and the difference between this and static keywords. And then we will dive to inheritance and aggregation. We will understand them, and we will know or learn the difference between inheritance and aggregation. And then we will dive into polymorphism and its type, which is dynamic polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. And then we will dive to abstracts like abstract methods, abstract classes, and interfaces. We will understand the difference between these two, the difference between abstract classes or interfaces. And then we will dive through encapsulation, what is encapsulation and what we can do with encapsulations. And then we will cover exception handling, Java collections, and more. So this was the table of contents of this full course. So we will see you in the next video, which I introduce you to Java and Java Development Kit and JRE and JVM. So see you there.